Hi, grade 2. How are you? I hope you're having a nice long weekend at home. Here's some work for you to do during the 3 days. Okay, the first part of the lesson is going to be about inflectional endings, the ed, ing, s, and es. And remember, we said that the s and es can be added to nouns to make them plural, more than one, and they can be added to verbs when one person is doing the action. When one person is doing the action, when my subject is only one person, then I can add an s to the verb, or an es if my verb ends with ch, sh, and so on. We will see some more examples. Okay, let me go to the next slide. And there we go. It's a reminder. We add s and es at the end of a noun, okay, to show that it is plural or more than one. Okay, we can also add s and es at the end of a verb or an action word to show that it is happening now. Okay, and again, I have to remind you that only one person can be doing this action. Okay, so if you notice here, she runs after her friend. My subject here, the sentence is about she. Okay, she is only one person. Okay, and what is she doing? She runs after her friend. Okay, and I put s after the word run. This is my action word, run, and I put an s because only one person is doing that action, and that one person is she. Okay, the boy catches the ball. My subject, who is my sentence about? My sentence is about the boy. Okay, and what is the boy doing? Catches the ball. Why did I put es at the end of catch? Because catch ends with ch, and it follows the same rules like the nouns. When my noun or my verb end with ch, sh, s, double s, x, and sometimes also the letter o. Some verbs end with o. When one person is doing those verbs, then I add an es at the end. Okay, so look at the next example. My dad is one person. My dad fixes my bike. I put es because fix ends with an x. Okay, so remember, when one person is doing the action verb has to have an s or an es at the end. She runs, the boy catches, my dad fixes. Okay, and here are some more examples. This is the root word. Before we put any ending, this is the root word. It means it still doesn't have any endings or any beginnings. It's just the word as it is, the root word. Play. When I add an ending to say that it's happening now, I put an s at the end. Play becomes plays. Brush, to brush my hair, to brush. Okay, because it ends with an sh at the end, because it has sh at the end, so if I say Karma brushes her hair, then I have to put an es at the end. Muhammad brushes his hair. Ali brushes his hair. We brush our hair. Malik brushes his hair. The girls brush their hair, but Farida brushes her hair. Okay. We pass the ball to each other. Kinda passes the ball to Danya. Adam passes the ball to Salim. Muhammad passes the ball to Yasin. The girls pass the ball to each other. The boys pass the pencil case around the table. Okay, one more example. Adam Sherbini passes his book to Yasin. We love to paint. We paint nice pictures. You paint beautifully. He paints a picture of a rainbow. His mom paints really well. The, the man or the artist paints beautiful pictures. Okay, when one person is doing the action, I add an S or an ES, but because the word paint ends with a T, it doesn't end with one of the CHs or the SHs, so I just add an S at the end, okay? Now, so that I don't waste, watch becomes watches when one person is doing it. Wish, we wish, he wishes. I press, she presses. Okay, because I doesn't follow the rule. I is only one person, and you can also be talking about one person, but they don't follow the rule of adding an S or an ES. They use the action word as it is in its root word form. You play, I brush, you pass, I paint, you pick, I watch, you wish, I press. Okay, I don't ever say I plays, you brushes. That's absolutely wrong. That's not good English. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Some more examples. Now I color coded a little bit for you to realize. He brushes his hair. I added ES because brush ends with SH and he is only one person. Okay. Jack passes the ball to me. Pass ends with a double S. Jack is one person and I add an ES. My friend watches cartoons. My friend is only one person, only one friend. Watch ends with CH, so I add an ES. Dad fixes things at home. Dad is only one person. Fix ends with an X, and so I put an ES at the end. Okay, this applies for any verbs that end with SH, SS, CH, and X. These are just a few examples here. So I can say Dad mixes his juice. My friend catches a ball. Jack dresses up quickly. He wishes to have short hair. Okay, so it's not just these words. Any verb or any noun that end with S, H, S, S, C, H, and an X. When the noun is plural, we add SES. When one person is doing the action verb, we add an ES. Okay, next slide. No, this is, I will stop right here and I will start a new recording. So I'm going to stop.